If you've ever wondered whether a mid-range racing wheel can truly deliver the Ferrari fantasy without the premium direct drive price tag, the Thrustmaster T98 Ferrari 296 GTB makes a bold first impression the moment you grip it. Designed at a 7/10 scale and officially licensed by Ferrari, the 10-inch rim feels authentic in hand, with imitation carbon accents and magnetic paddle shifters that produce a crisp, tactile click during aggressive gear changes. The overall ergonomics are comfortable for long sessions, and the wheel's textured grip reduces fatigue even during endurance racing. Force feedback delivers noticeable resistance and road feel, especially when cornering at high speed or riding curbs, giving a sense of control that feels closer to real driving than entry-level wheels. However, while the feedback is responsive, it doesn't fully replicate the ultra-precise detail or torque strength found in higher-end systems, which experienced sim racers may notice. The pedal set performs reliably with consistent input detection, though the resistance may feel slightly light for users seeking a more realistic braking sensation. Visually, the Ferrari styling and official branding elevate immersion, making it particularly appealing to tifosi and fans of Italian motorsport heritage. During extended gameplay across different racing titles, the wheel maintains stable performance without signal drops or calibration issues, suggesting solid reliability for regular use. Overall, this wheel strikes a balance between immersion, aesthetics, and functionality. It doesn't replace professional-grade hardware, but it delivers an engaging driving experience that makes virtual racing feel far more connected and enjoyable than standard controllers.